Hi everyone, welcome to HPGD3503 Inclusive Education. I am delighted to engage with you this semester on this online platform. This course will provide you with in-depth knowledge and practical skills for planning and teaching effectively in inclusive education settings. It will address the comprehensive social and academic needs of students within an inclusive classroom. You will explore the benefits and challenges of implementing inclusive education practice. Furthermore, the course will equip you with the ability to design and execute a range of inclusive teaching strategies to cater to the diverse academic needs of students, fostering a positive and socially inclusive classroom environment. You will have easy access to extensive course content on My Inspire, including e-lessons, modules, e-books, e-lectures, and online activity to support your independent study. Please take the time to truly engage with these materials. We will have opportunities to meet via Google Meet and engage in discussions in the forums. Lastly, ensure that you read your modules and come prepared with any question for our online sessions. Have a productive day, and I look forward to our upcoming interactions. Happy learnings!